In this video we're going to have a look at your OneDrive online file storage. So to access that, again, we can click on it from this list of applications, or the app launcher has it just here as well. Now your OneDrive is your own private storage. No other students can see what you store in here unless you share it with them. So when you first access it, obviously it's going to be empty. There's no files in there. We do get this little getting started guide which you can read through, or you can skip. That's up to you. Now you will get these odd pop-ups the first few times you run it, so we'll just get a shot of those for a moment. Now it's important to keep this organized. So if you're going to be uploading files for several subjects, it's useful to be able to create folders. So imagine this is just like any other folder on your computer. We're going to try and keep things a little bit more organized. So we might have a folder for ICT, for example, and we'll create that. And then another folder for history. And so on. And you can organize these folders however you like. So once you're in the right folder and you want to actually upload a file, there's two things you can do. You can either click on upload just here, or if you have a window open elsewhere, you can literally drag the files onto here. So we'll just go for upload files for now, and I'm just going to upload this one. And here we go. It says uploaded one item to my ICT folder just there. Now you can upload as much or as little as you want into this. You can keep a backup of your files, so if you're not if you want to make sure you don't lose them off a memory stick, you can back them up on here. These files are recoverable, so if you do accidentally delete it, there is a way you can get these back. So from here, if you want to send one of these files, let's say you've done some work on Microsoft Word or the Office 365 version and you want to send it to somebody, you can right click and you've got all these different options just here. So we can click on share, and that brings up another box eventually, and you can either choose to send it to someone for them to be able to change it, so maybe to annotate it and send it back, or if you just want them to be able to view it, you can click on this allow editing and it unticks it just there. So we can apply that. So now we can just say anyone with a link can view and enter a name or an email address. Well, if you want to send it to one of your teachers, we're going to start typing their surname in, and there we go. So I'm going to send a link to this file to this teacher, and I can add an appropriate message if I want to. Now obviously if you're sending a file to a teacher, you should be adding a message in there, and then we're going to click send, and that will automatically create and send an email to that teacher with a link to that file. Now if at any point you do want to create a new file, then you can do exactly that. Just click on new, and then you've got all these different things here. So a Word document, Excel workbook, presentation, and that takes you into the online applications, but we'll have a look at those in another video.